All right, guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing some silver that I received from Provident Metal. All right, I think I got some silver coins in here. I got some silver bars in here, and I got some, I have no idea what I have in there. But one thing for sure, I do have some silver in here. And also, there is a giveaway, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you do decide to join this community, I sincerely want to say thank you in advance. So, question of the day. Did you guys make any silver purchase throughout the whole week? Comment down below. Let me and the community know. So let's get right into this. So as I'm taking this out, I do want to say about the giveaway. So it's going to be, standard giveaway rules. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. All giveaway right now is all me. All right. But the giveaway that I'm going to be doing, you have to be 13 years old. If you don't live in the US, you'll be responsible for your own shipping. All right. But the giveaway rules, I'm going to put some pictures on this video. Some random pictures. It's gonna be like real quick. It's gonna be real quick. If you see a picture on this video and it's like more than a second long, then that's not the picture I'm talking about. It's gonna be real quick. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. And it's gonna have some words in there. And the first one to comment the right phrase in the correct order will win the giveaway. All right. And this one is gonna be hard, guys. This one's gonna be hard. I gave a lot of freebies in the past couple of giveaways I had, and I'm gonna make it a little bit harder. Now I did receive a magnet as well, but I threw it on the fridge already. Like literally, I literally threw it on the fridge. All right, so we have everything here. Everything laid out here, but let's go into it one by one. All right, so the first item we have here is the Provident Metals World of Dragon Series 3. All right, the third one that came out. And you guys know I've been collecting. I have the first one, I have the second one, and the third one recently came out, and I decided to buy it as well so I can complete it. Now, if we take a look at it, let's see if I can get it clear here. I like to look for milk spots in them that I received from Provident Metal. Let's see if we see anything. From what I'm seeing, it looks clean. Now, we all know on last week's video, I did find some silver that I had a whole bunch of milk spots on. And from this one, and that was from Atmex, and on this one, I don't see that much milk spots. I did look at the coins before this, but it looks beautiful. We know the back is the same. World of Dragons. This is Series 3. This is 1/4 ounce, 3/9 fine silver. Beautiful. I like this one. Now let's go to the second item we have on the list here. Now the second item we do have is the American Silver Eagle 2019. Looks real beautiful. Now this one is in great condition. All right. Beautiful condition from what I'm looking at. It looks real nice right there. Looking at it. Looks real beautiful. Putting it under the scope right here. Don't see nothing on there. Looks in great condition. Let me see. Do I see any defects? I like to check my silver just to make sure there's nothing wrong with it, especially when I'm paying like a high premium on there. But you guys know I bought all of these under 20 bucks. I kind of forgot the price I paid for this, but I'm pretty sure it was like around 17, 18, around there. Looks real nice. Let's see. I don't see nothing wrong with it. This one looks good as well. Now for the next one, we do have another Krug right here. Looks real nice. Looks cool. Let's see what year this is. Does it have the year? 2019. It has 2019 right there. Looks good. Looks beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. Looks okay. Now I did see something on the top. I gotta put it under the magnifying glass to see. Let me see. Right there. I don't know if you got. There you go. Right there. You guys can see that right there. A little bit right there, but nothing. I'm gonna put this in the capsule so it doesn't get any worse. No fingerprints, but it looks okay. It looks okay. Let's move it to the side right there. Well, not to the side, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. Let me see the front. You can see a little bit of scratches right there in front of his nose a little bit. But besides all that, it looks like it's in okay condition, great condition. All right. Now we move on to the next one. And the next one being the Queen Beast Falcon. Now I do believe I have all of the Queen Beast series here. I do have all of them. I think this was the last one I was missing, but I finally got it right there. But I did see some sort of stuff on there. Let's take a good look. All right, I could have sworn I seen something on there. Let me take a look. Take a real good look at it. Let's see the back. It looks okay. You can see the Falcon. It looks real nice right there. Let's move it to the front. Let me see. Now, you can see the face. It does have a little bit of spottage in there. All right, let me see if I get it closer for you guys can see right there. If you guys can take a look at it, you guys can see it there. I know I saw something else, especially on the top right there. If you guys take a cool look at the top, you guys can see around the edges right there on the top, it does have a little bit of milk spots. Now, I don't know, I think it's just something with the Queen Beast, because most of the Queen Beasts I'm getting, they are having a lot of milk spots on there. But let's see here. Could have sworn I seen something there as well. If we look at the bottom right there, you see that milk spot right there, all those across the edges as well. There's a lot of milk spots there. I'm putting this in a capsule as well so it doesn't get any worse. That's pretty much what it is for the Queen Beast. But I think, like I said, I finished the series. I'm happy with it. I think this is my first series that I actually completed. I don't know if I'm gonna go into any other series. I haven't seen any other series that actually caught my eyes. If I do go into another series, it'll probably be the Queen Beast Gold, all right? Now, the last item we have here is about 5 bars, 5 regular generic bars right here. Regular silver. And you guys know what I like to do with these. I like to actually melt them and turn them into bars, poured bars, just something urban, all right? Now, I do like these. To be honest with you, I want to keep them. I might just stamp one of them. Like, I want to see how my stamp will look if I just stamp it there. I'll probably do that, and if I do, I'll show it to you at the end of the video. And I might give it as a giveaway, all right? I might just give it as a giveaway. And whoever finds the right phrase, whoever can say the right phrase, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be extremely hard, but whoever can find the right phrase from all the subliminal pictures I put on this video, if you guys can figure it out and put the right phrase on there, on the comments below, be the first one to do so, will actually win one of these, all right? Either I'm gonna pour it, or either I'm gonna, you know, just stamp right there in the middle, see how it looks, and then give it to you guys. I don't know. So you guys let me know what you guys think, all right? But that's pretty much everything that I received. Let's do a recap real quick. So all together, we have about 5 regular generic bars. We have 1 World of Dragon series. We have the Falcon, my last set that I needed to complete my series for the Queen Beast. We have a 2019 American Silver Eagle, and then we have a Krug right here. That's pretty much all I have. All right, so I did the project, and I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie, I did deform the silver a little bit, but it looks real nice. It looks real nice. If you look at it right there, it has the urban right there. I probably would have to clean it up just a little bit, tad bit more. But to be honest with you, I like the way it came out. It looks real nice. All right, I did mess up the back because I had to press it on there, so it actually left the imprint on there right there. But this is what you guys would have a chance to win right here. All right, 1 ounce 999 fine silver. I call this the urban counterfeit. That's what I call it, the urban counterfeit. Yeah, it has a ring to it, urban counterfeit. All right, but it looks real nice. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. You guys would have a chance to win this. Also, guys, I want to mention I did record this video early Saturday morning, but I did end up doing a giveaway for one of these yesterday on Sunday with my episode with JT Coin Rings Silver Talk, and I gave one away. So congratulations to Kevin Rose who actually won this one. But at the same time, I do have 2 more on the ublife.com website. So guys, make sure you go down there. I did sell one on the website. I do have 2 more of these on the website, and I'm only keeping them up on there for like a good maybe a day or so. Then I'll take them and melt them and turn them into something different. All right, so make sure you guys check out the UBLife's website for you guys to see if you guys want to get one. All right, we only got like 2 days left for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and have a beautiful day. And don't forget to always work and grind. Oh gosh, man. How did I miss that? One time. Ah, come on. I gotta get this shot right. There you go.
It only took you 3 tries. I mean, not everybody can be a boss like me, you know? Just stick it up there, you know? I'm a boss. I don't even have to look. Bounce, that's how you do it. Ain't that right? Yeah.
Everything